Good evening, hello. I'm coming to you from Illuminate Adelaide, the festival that is lighting up Adelaide at the moment. Now, with South Australians' borders closed to pretty much all of Australia and definitely all of the world, this might be a great opportunity to show you a little bit of my hometown and what happens here during winter. This is a new festival. It's been a pretty cold day here and very, very wet. So I've rugged up and I'm about to take you around some of the 40 installations, buildings that have been lit up in the theme of light, and various art installations as well. So join me and we'll have a wander around town. Our journey starts along North Terrace, Adelaide's cultural boulevard and home of various institutions. My first stop is the Institute building, where Kayleen Whiskey's colourful world of desert pop art serves up a playful window into contemporary Angangu life and culture. Right next door at the State Library, the statue of Robert Burns provides a wonderful silhouette against the Library of Light display. Next up is Lot 14, which is on the site of the old Royal Adelaide Hospital and is being transformed into a technology, innovation and startup hub. Here the artists of Pixel Ninjas and Adelaide-based Rising Sun Pictures, who've been involved in a whole load of Hollywood blockbusters, are taking the big screen wizardry out into the real world with an amazing light show. From North Terrace, I headed into the lively cafe and restaurant precinct of the East End and Rundle Street. Rundle Street itself was blocked off and they had a number of these outback televisions keeping people warm. The light displays here paid homage to the rich history of the East End. This was home to the original wholesale fruit and vegetable markets, as well as various waves of immigration and the more bohemian side of Adelaide life. Whilst in the East End, I also took the opportunity to refuel. Cheers. So in the middle of Rundle Mall are these lit up tubes with some music playing and stuff. It's actually really, really nice. But while we're here, we need to address the other thing that's happened in Rundle Mall since COVID started, and that was halfway through the first lockdowns last year, suddenly this sculpture of a giant pigeon appeared. It's made out of stainless steel. No idea why and no idea how, but it suddenly appeared. I don't think Adelaide had some sort of mythical connection with pigeons in the past. What did happen though, within a week or so of the pigeon being put here, they had to put this thing there because there's big planter there because kids were using it as a skateboard ramp, and apparently our new pigeon overlord is not a skateboard ramp. At the end of the mall, I crossed over into Highney Street, the nightlife and nightclub strip of Adelaide. I really like what they did here. They've used a relatively ugly building, but they've used it as a really effective canvas to highlight the unique nature of Aboriginal art. Some of these things, especially in the West End, are down pretty dodgy laneways and alleyways. But judging by the size of that screen, it's looking pretty cool. cool. We've got to line up for this one. It's in the Old Queen's Theatre, which is the oldest theatre in mainland Australia. It dates back to 1840, when the colony here was only 4 years old. And whilst it's not officially part of Illuminate Adelaide, I couldn't resist but to finish the video in front of this magnificently red painted building behind me. Looks beautiful, all lit up at night. Look, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and let me know if you'd like more of these sorts of videos on this channel. And whilst I'm talking about channel, if you haven't done so yet and you like what you see, please do subscribe. It means a lot. Thanks again for watching. See ya.